everyone and all present here. My name is Naira Rihmullah from grade 2C. Today I become a teacher. Teacher is like our mother. She teaches good manners and make our future bright. Books gives us knowledge, but teachers convert into wisdom. One beautiful line said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Teachers are backbone of any country. The pillar upon which all aspirations are converted into realities. In last, I would like to end uh, with Guru Mantra for all teachers. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Saksha Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. So we should always listen to our teacher and follow their advice. Thank you teachers. Have a nice day.